Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic REST commander, how to add plot style. So if you want to add plot style in REST commander, you can type style manager, press enter, and will be show for the print style folder. You can paste your style in it, and as example I will copy my plot style. You can right click copy, and then you can paste into this print style folder. Click paste. Now we have this example plot style, and you can close. Now you can type plot, press enter, and then you can go to print style table, click drop down menu, and it will be show for the new plot style table. Okay, that's it for basic REST commander tutorial, how to add plot style. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.